In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image and send it to the back as a background. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a custom image behind your content so your design looks clean and professional. Let's begin by selecting your image. Think about the look you want: a subtle texture, a photo, or a brand graphic. Choose a high-resolution file so it doesn't appear blurry when enlarged. Keep it handy on your computer's desktop or in a folder you can access quickly. With your project open in your document or slide editor, press on Insert. This is the menu where you add elements to your page or slide. From there, press on Image, and then select the Upload from Computer option. This tells the editor that you'll be choosing a file stored locally rather than from a library or the web. When the file picker opens, choose your image background. If you're deciding between a few options, pick the one with the right orientation for your canvas: landscape for wide slides or pages, portrait for tall layouts. Once selected, confirm to upload, and your image will appear on the canvas. Now, adjust the image if you need to. Drag the corners to resize while keeping the proportions intact and move it into position so it covers the entire area you want as a background. If your editor shows alignment guides, use them to center the image perfectly. Avoid stretching from the sides alone, which can distort the image. If cropping is available, trim any excess so the edges align cleanly with your page or slide. This is also a good time to check that text or key elements will be readable over the background. Next, right-click your image to bring up the Context menu. This is where you'll find options that control how layers stack on the canvas. Hover over or press on Order, and then press on the Send to Back option. Instantly, the image will move behind everything else, allowing your text, shapes, or other graphics to sit on top. If something still appears behind the image, that usually means it was part of a master or background layer. Simply ensure your new image is on the base layer and try Send to Back again. Give your design a final look. Make sure the background supports your content rather than competing with it. If needed, slightly resize or reposition the image until everything feels balanced. And that's it. Your custom background is in place and looking great.